Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. My name is Zohaib and I am studying in Karabuk University, Civil Engineering. Today my project is about the zero waste. So we will talk about zero waste. So first of all, what is zero waste? So, zero waste is a set of principles focused on waste prevention that encourages the redesign of resources life cycles so that all products are reused. So, what is meant by this sentence? It means that if if we focus on waste preventions that encourage the redesign of resources of life cycles, so for example, if we use the shoppers and the waste products, so we can recycle it. So the goal is for no trash to be sent to landfills, incinerators, or the oceans. So we have the goal, say we don't need to throw the papers and the trashes are in the land or in the oceans. Currently only 9% of plastic is actually recycled. So that's what is zero waste. After that, we will come about examples of zero waste. So, what are the examples of zero waste? Many commercials or industrial companies claim to embrace zero waste but usually mean no more than a major materials recycling effort having no bearing on product redesign. Examples include Staples, Home Depot, Toyota, General Motors, and Computer Tech, Back and there are many other more examples like trash cans, shoppers we use. They all can be recycled, and they are the examples of zero waste. After that, we will talk about how zero waste can be produced, how it can produced, how humans can produce zero waste. Supermarket shelves challenging for us. A lot of the vegetables get a second skin, meaning that they are wrapped in unnecessary plastic packaging, nicely lined up, and we find a huge selection of drinks, most of them in non-reusable bottles. Conventionally, most candy is ideally proportioned for consumers, which helps with eating smaller portions but also creates a lot of waste. For example, like they pack a lot of vegetables and chickens in the useless shoppers because uh, due to which zero waste can produce. For example, the consumers which helps eating smaller portions but also create also a lot of waste. How to reduce zero waste? What should we do that we can reduce the zero waste? Consumes less. If you don't need it, don't buy it. For example, if we don't need a shopper or cans, so we don't need to buy it. So that's why we can reduce a little bit zero waste. Use what you have. You don't need to buy new items to adopt a zero waste lifestyle. So if you have, for example, if you have one shopper, so you don't need to buy another shopper because of you can by this process if you don't buy another shopper or something. So by this way you can reduce the zero waste. Eliminate single use. For example, if you have for example, you need to use a single thing for the things like you don't need to buy two or three things. Choose reusables. Choose that thing. For example, if you want to buy something, choose that thing that can be recycled. Buy in bulk. Compost if you can. Bring your own. Take reusable bags for grocery shopping if you are going for shopping or something else. So take those bags which are which reduce zero waste and can be recycled. Advantages of zero waste. So here we comes the advantages of zero waste. So what are the advantages of zero waste? We will talk about advantages of zero waste. Zero waste conserve resources and minimizes pollution. Once they are used, the goods are simply dumped in a landfill or destroyed in incinerator. In contrast, a zero waste approach conserves natural resources, and reduces pollution from extraction, manufacturing, and disposal. These are the advantages of zero waste. So, what are the disadvantages of zero waste? Zero waste products are hard to find. Zero waste can be more expensive. For example, in some countries, they are still developing countries. There, the zero waste can be more expensive. Zero waste can be difficult for a large household. Yeah, zero waste can be difficult for a large household. Zero waste is time consuming. Shopping online can be tricky. Not all products have a zero waste alternative. Zero waste can be misleading. Zero waste can cause anxiety. So, zero waste country, what are the countries in which have zero waste? For example, we will talk about Japan. Thursday, like on 26 December 2019, Kamikatsu, a small town situated approximately 40 kilometers from Tokushima City in the mountains of Shikoku Island in Japan, is fast moving towards becoming the country's first fully zero waste habitation by next year. So Japan is the full of zero waste country. So now we will talk about what are zero waste in Turkey. The goals of the zero waste project in Turkey are to reduce waste by recycling byproducts of agricultural activities and repurposing hazardous waste. It also works to encourage recycling among citizens by implementing separate recycling bins in cities. Like if we have a bins in colleges and schools are also in university, so we can recycle these bins into zero waste and we can reduce the zero waste. Also in Turkey, everyone is trying to reduce the zero waste. Thank you so much. Today my project is that, and thank you so much.